Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. iPhone running iOS 12 or later and Bluetooth turned on. On Sync 3, power the unit and go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Choose Add Device. On your iPhone, open Bluetooth and watch for the sync name to appear. This is how devices discover each other. Once you see sync on the phone, tap it to initiate pairing. Make sure notifications or pop-ups are allowed so the code exchange will be visible, and the connection can proceed smoothly. Once pairing starts, a 6-digit code appears on both screens. Match and confirm on both devices to ensure secure pairing. After confirming, Sync 3 will request access to contacts, favorites, and messages. Grant those permissions so calls and texts integrate with the car. If you want automatic reconnect, mark Sync as a trusted device on the iPhone when asked. These authorizations allow voice commands to access contacts and let the system redial or show incoming caller info. Finish by testing. Place a call via Sync voice command or play audio from Apple Music to verify sound and mic quality. Make sure the iPhone shows as connected for calls and audio in Bluetooth details. This confirms full functionality. If connection fails later, restart Bluetooth on the iPhone and toggle Sync Bluetooth. Once done, try repairing. If problems persist, perform a Sync Master reset in Settings General Advanced, but backup contacts first, because a reset clears paired devices and settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.